From professionals to deers, a PVC cutter is an essential tool to handling several plumbing, framing and constructions works. They are compatible to work on different pipe types that include PVC, PEX, CPVC, and PPR pipes. The working mechanism of these PVC cutters is quite simple, so you don't need any professional guidance, even if you are using it for the first time. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best PVC pipe cutters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Airage Pipe Cutter. Well, you may have not heard about Airage in the past. This PVC pipe cutter can still be a great option for those who are on a budget. Airage's PVC pipe cutter comes at the first position of this listicle, as it can be a great affordable option for many, thanks to its given cheap price tag. Being an entry-level model, its given cutting capacity of up to 1/4 inch is to be expected. Taking a look at its compatibility with various pipe types available out there, you can expect this PVC pipe cutter to work with PVC, PEX, and PPR pipes. However, being a budget offering, you do not get any warranty included with it. Number 2. Ginzer's PVC Pipe Cutters. Ginzer's can be another great option if you want to get something that is made for heavy-duty usage and can cut even thick pipes if needed. This Ginzer's PVC pipe cutter comes at the second position of this article because it is a great option for heavy-duty usage. It is primarily for the reason that you get a decently high cutting capacity of up to 2 inch. When combined with its compatibility with PVC, PEX, and PPR types of pipes, you can use this pipe cutter in a lot of cases. Since Ginzer's is made for heavy-duty usage, there is also a 30-day warranty included with it, which is better than nothing. Number 3. Rigid Pipe Cutter. In comparison with most other brands out there, Rigid is highly popular and reputable, that offers all sorts of tools including high-performance PVC pipe cutters. If you wish to get a highly reliable and durable PVC pipe cutter, then this one might be just for you. However, if you wish to cut large-size PVC pipes or anything else, then its cutting capacity of up to 1 inch can be a bit low for you. Thankfully, this PVC pipe cutter is highly compatible with a wide range of pipe types, which includes PVC, CPVC, P, PEX, and PP pipes. But the key feature of this PVC pipe cutter is that you get a 3-year warranty, making it highly reliable and perfect for long-term usage. Number 4. Besselin's Pipe Cutter. Besselin's is quite a small brand of tools like its PVC pipe cutter, which is thankfully a great option if you want something high performance with decent build quality. The Besselin's PVC pipe cutter can be another great option if you want something for heavy-duty usage. While it may not be the highest, the given cutting capacity of up to 2.5 inch offered by this one is still pretty high. As for its compatibility, you can use this PVC pipe cutter with PVC, PEX, and PPR types of pipes, which is decent especially for the given price tag. Even though you get a pretty decent build quality with this PVC pipe cutter, it does not offer any warranty. Number 5. Zandlia Pipe and Tube Cutter. Even though there are a lot of options out there while getting a PVC pipe cutter, you should still consider Zandlia and its offerings that can be highly versatile. Zandlia's PVC pipe cutter is one of the most versatile options out there that can be used for easily cutting all sorts of pipes. This is due to the reason that you get excellent compatibility with this one, which supports PVC, CPVC, P, PEX, and PP pipes. You also get a highly sturdy build quality with this PVC pipe cutter, making it ideal for heavy-duty usage. Although, unlike other heavy-duty options, its given cutting capacity of 1/4 inch can be a bit low. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.